Dear students, I am your math teacher of grade 5. Welcome to grade 5. Let's start our new chapter. It's chapter unit number 1, numbers and operations. Page number 2. Here is given the international place value chart. You have already read about the international place value chart. Look, the first one is its units, thousands, millions and billions. In units period, units, tens and hundreds are given. In thousands periods, 1,000, 10,000 and 100,000s are given. In millions period, million, 10 million, 100 millions are given. And in billions, 10 billions and 100 billions are given. Let's start exercise 1, page number 3. The first question is, write these numbers in words. In question number 1, numbers are given and we have to convert these numbers in words. So move to whiteboard. Exercise 1, page 3, international place value chart. It's the international place value chart. It's in rough form. So what was the first question? It's units period. The second one is its thousands periods, and the next one is its millions period. So 410 millions, 410 millions, 138,000, 138,700. Look, 700. So we will put here 700 here. 700. So what we have to put here, after 3 digits we must have to put comma. 1 2 3, 1 2 3, 1 2 3. So there's no number in billions column, so we won't put here comma. The answer of A part is, part A answer is 410 million, 410 millions, and you have to write the answer in words form. Okay, 410 million, 400 in words form. It's written same like this, like 410 million, 138,700. It's your answer. The next part is its units period. This one is thousands period and this one is millions period. So 334 million, 334 million, 986,000, and we will put here zeros. So students, I write the numbers in place value chart. In this way you can easily read the numbers and you can write these numbers in words. So in words we will write like this: 334 million. Look, 334 million, 986,000, 986,000. Part C is, how many periods we have here? Units periods, then thousands periods, millions periods, and this one is billions periods. So 8,978,000,020. In words we will write like this: 8,978,000,020. 20. Move to next part, that is part D. How many periods we have? Units period, then thousands periods, millions period, and billions periods. So it becomes 3 billion. In words we will write 3 billions. Okay, rest of two parts, that are part E and F, will your homework on your practice notebook. So you must have to solve these questions in your practice notebooks. Take care.